welcome to the channel. My name is Otabi. If this is the first time here, if you're already a subscriber, hello, by now you know me. Today's video is a hair trimming video. I don't trim my hair too often. The last time I had the trim was in January of this year, and this is 1st of December. I'm going to trim my hair, and in order to make sure I get it right, I stretch the hair with African threading. So this African threading, I've had it on for 2 days. I actually intended keeping it for 1 day, but hey, life happens. So I kept it a day longer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them down one by one and trim the hair. That way it helps me get a better picture of how the hair is and what I really need to trim. To trim, I said trim. What I really need to trim. So let's start with this. But for the trimming, I'm just going to use my scissors, hair scissors. I'm going to use a comb, a rat tail comb. I'm also going to be using my white tooth comb. I'm not using a brush for this process. Now, before I even start, why do you need to trim your hair? Guys, over time, our hair starts to split. It's normal to have split ends, but some people have more split ends than others. The rate at which the way you style your hair and handle your hair would affect how you have split ends. Some people have more than others, like I said earlier, and we need to trim more often than others. I trim my hair once or twice a year. Like I said, the last time I had a trim was in January of this year. So this is December, so that's a long time. But some people will trim their hair maybe 3 times a year, 4 times a year, depending on how their split ends are. Now, when do I know that it's time to trim my hair? I know it's time to trim my hair when it's difficult detangling the hair. The ends are always too curled up, and sometimes it can lead to breakage. Another way I know it's time to trim my hair is when I can feel single strand knots. God, those things are annoying. When I can feel them, feel that the tip of my hair is rough, really rough, I know it's time to trim my hair. When I'm using a comb, a white comb, and it doesn't go as smooth as it's supposed to go, I know it's time to trim my hair. Now, sometimes it can just be that the hair is tangled. When it has been properly detangled and the comb is still hooking, I know that it's time to trim my hair. And sometimes it can just hold the hair and you see the split ends. You can actually see your hair has split. It's time to cut it when you see that, so that the split does not travel and ruin your whole hair. Okay, so now let me not talk too much. Let me just go straight into the process of trimming my hair, my second trim for the year. Like I said, I'll do it in sections, one after the other. African threading is a good way to stretch your hair without heat. It won't give you very straight hair, but at least you have an idea of how long your hair is when you do the threading. Before I do anything, I'm just going to apply a little oil to the ends of my hair. This is my oil I use when the place is quite dry. I have the video, you can check it out. So yeah. Just going to detangle. I'm going to use this just comb. So I've divided the section into 2 to make it easier for me. I'm just going to use this on the ends. This is about the only time I use this rat tail comb on my hair. It's not advisable because it's just with this I can see my ends better. The ends are not bad at all. My hair is quite healthy, so I won't need to trim much of it. So yeah, see the comb is moving smoothly. I'm just going to twist this. And then go to the next section. Now, this is how I trim my hair. I'm not a professional hairdresser, but this is how I like to trim my hair. Since I went natural, I've never gone to the salon for my hair to be trimmed. I've never even gone to the salon to wash my hair or anything. I handle my hair myself. So yeah, this is how I trim my hair. Make sure it's even. See how the comb is just moving smoothly. So nice. Nothing holding the comb. Wow. I think I'll just one more. Just to make sure it's even. So not bad. I'm just going to twist this. So my twists looking good. I'm done trimming the hair. Let me undo everything and see how it looks. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. My hair looks even. I'm so happy with that. Let me show you guys the back side. So yeah, this is it. I'm so happy with the hair. At least it will be good for some months before I'll need a trim again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on that bell by the side so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Let me know in the comment section, how often do you trim your hair? Are you someone who trims the hair every 3 months or every 2 months or once a year or twice a year? Let me know in the comment section. I go for once to twice a year depending on what my hair is telling me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.